Hi all, let's see how to create an invoice. Click on Income, Invoice, click on Add Invoice. Select your customer name. If your customer name is not available in the list, you can add by clicking on this plus button. You can fill in your company name or the individual name. Click on More Details. Go to the address, fill in your customer address. Choose the multiple car plates. Enter the details of the car plates and create. By doing this, the customer can be created. So, select your customer, choose the services, input the value and save. By doing this, your invoice is created. Once a customer pays, click on Action, Add Receipt, choose the payment method and the payment mode and click on Save. By doing this, your invoice pending will become paid. The status will be shown as paid and the pending will be 0 and the paid will be $50. This is how you create an invoice and add a receipt. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.